Today I am reviewing the Bear Baby Food Maker with dual-layer steam baskets. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a parent looking for a simple, safe, and efficient way to prepare healthy homemade baby food, the Bear Baby Food Maker with dual-layer steam baskets is one of the most practical all-in-one kitchen devices you can get. It is designed to simplify the entire process of making baby food by combining steaming, blending, sterilizing, and even warming milk into a single compact machine. Let's start with the biggest advantage of this product, which is its all-in-one functionality. Instead of using multiple pots, steamers, and blenders, this device handles everything in one place. You can steam ingredients, blend them into smooth purees, and even sterilize baby bottles or warm milk. This drastically reduces kitchen clutter and saves a lot of time, especially for busy parents who are managing daily feeding routines. One of the standout features is the 18.5-ounce dual-layer steam basket system. This allows you to prepare multiple ingredients at once, which is extremely useful for batch cooking. You can steam different vegetables or fruits simultaneously, or cook larger portions that can be stored for later use. This is especially helpful for parents of babies between 6 to 8 months old, where multiple small meals are needed throughout the day. The steam system itself is designed to preserve nutrients. Instead of boiling, which can cause vitamins and minerals to leach out, this device uses gentle 360-degree steam circulation. This helps retain more of the natural nutrients in the food, ensuring your baby gets healthier and more nutritious meals. The dual-layer design also allows you to separate flavors or combine ingredients depending on your preference. Now let's talk about blending performance. The Bear Baby Food Maker offers smart blending with 2 modes. You can use automatic blending for a completely hands-free experience, or manual mode if you want more control over texture. This is important because babies go through different food stages. Early on, you may need very smooth purees, but later you might want slightly chunkier textures as they transition to solid foods. This machine adapts easily to those needs. Another key highlight is safety. The product is made from high-grade Tridam material and is completely BPA-free, lead-free, and phthalate-free. This ensures that no harmful chemicals come into contact with your baby's food. It also includes safety lock features and low-water alerts, which help prevent accidents and ensure smooth operation. These small details make a big difference in everyday use, especially when you're multitasking as a parent. Ease of use is another major strength. The controls are simple, and the one-step operation makes it very beginner-friendly. You don't need to be experienced in cooking baby food to use it effectively. Just add your ingredients, select your mode, and let the machine handle the rest. Cleaning is often one of the most stressful parts of preparing baby food, but this device makes it much easier. It includes an auto-clean function that helps remove leftover food residue quickly. The stainless steel water tank is designed to resist rust, and maintenance is relatively simple. You just need to rinse and occasionally deep clean with vinegar or a descaling solution to keep it performing well over time. This reduces the hassle significantly compared to traditional baby food preparation methods. In terms of design, the unit is compact and fits well in most kitchens without taking up too much space. It is built to be both functional and convenient, which is ideal for modern households. Everything feels designed with real parenting challenges in mind, from time-saving features to safety considerations. Another benefit worth mentioning is its versatility. While it is primarily designed for baby food, it can also be used for sterilizing bottles and warming milk, which makes it even more valuable in the early stages of parenting. Having one device that handles multiple tasks like this can reduce both cost and kitchen clutter. The product also comes with strong customer support, including a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical assistance. This adds extra peace of mind, especially for parents who rely on it daily. Knowing that support is available if anything goes wrong makes the purchase more secure. In real-world use, this baby food maker is ideal for parents who want to move away from store-bought baby food and prepare fresh, homemade meals instead. It saves time, reduces effort, and ensures better control over ingredients. Whether you're preparing purees, steaming vegetables, or sterilizing bottles, it handles everything smoothly in one workflow. Of course, like any appliance, there are a few considerations. It does require proper maintenance, especially when it comes to descaling the water tank to prevent mineral buildup. Also, care must be taken when handling the steaming components, as they can become hot during operation. However, these are standard precautions for any steam-based appliance. Overall, the Bear Baby Food Maker is a highly practical and thoughtfully designed device for modern parenting. It simplifies meal preparation, improves food quality, and reduces daily stress in the kitchen. With its all-in-one functionality, nutrient-preserving steam system, and easy cleaning features, it stands out as a very strong choice for parents who want convenience without compromising on health. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to prepare fresh baby food at home, this product is definitely worth considering.